Sure. Break an eyeshadow already. All right. Today is a very special video, okay? I've been waiting for a long time to do this. And as you can tell by the title, today I am unboxing my Pat McGrath order. Okay, this is my first time buying luxury makeup, so I'm really excited. I had a whole different video planned to explain why I decided to buy this makeup. But long story short, I was upset. I needed something to, make me feel a little bit better about the, shitty feelings I was having. So I said, you know what? Pat McGrath was having a sale back in July. I always wanted to buy luxury makeup. I always wanted to have Pat McGrath makeup because, if you're into makeup, you know who she is. So I bought it. After 4 days it was here, so it was like super fast. But I wanted to wait to post that video, of me vlogging my experience of going, get the breast check and everything. I was like, I don't feel like I have the mental energy, and perhaps I'm not that ready to share the whole thing, right? Because this is an ongoing follow-up thing and it's not gonna be resolved like, like that. So I said, why am I gonna wait? Right? I bought this to cheer me up, and I said, you know what? Now is the time. I'm aware that Pat McGrath has currently a sale on the website, so if you wanna buy some really nice products, as a gift for the holidays, for your makeup lover friends, now is the time to do so. Go over there, check it out. But I bought these on sale back in July. Having a really good sale would be the only reason why I would buy luxury makeup, okay? I would never pay full price. So yeah, let's just get to it. I'm gonna try the products, I'm gonna tell you how much I paid for it, the original price, how much I paid on sale, and tell you what I think. In the box, I have a little receipt, and here they are. So let's get to it. So I got over here 4 eyeshadow singles and a mini lip trio. This is so cute. Look, this packaging. The detail with all the sequins. You get what you paid for, right? These are quality products in a quality packaging. So this over here is Celestial. This one is Lapis Luxury. Then we have Statuesque. And lastly, I got Dark Matter. The last item on my order is this Guilty Pleasures Mini Lip Trio. And this set contains Executive Realness, Elson 2, and Softcore. The eyeshadows are made in the US, and the lipsticks are made in Italy. So the eyeshadow singles, I paid 43 shekels each, which is a really good price. And the lip trio, it's 51 shekels. Wow, I paid 50 shekels for shipping. It's expensive. So basically these were exclusive offers, so it wasn't like a mid of the year sale or anything like that. It was just exclusive offers. Maybe because these products are gonna be like, it's a clearance. I don't know. It's my first time buying Pat McGrath, so I don't know, the usual sales and promotions that she makes on the website. So let's open these. Come on, let's get started. Oh. I was not ready for this. For some reason, I thought this packaging was like the one that you could, do like this and open it. But no, they're like really properly sealed. And I don't have a scissors, so be right back. Scissors. What am I gonna do with all this sparkly things inside? I feel like I should keep it. My son can always play with these when doing some arts and crafts, right? Yeah, I'm not throwing it away. So this one is Statuesque. Good for 12 months after opening. Oh, that's nice. I like that there are a lot of different steps to making sure that this is like a fresh new product. I like that because sometimes when I buy makeup on iHerb or in the pharmacy, it's just like,
hey, could have been open.
You can never be sure, but this one, super closed here. It also has a sticker, so you know if it has been opened or not. All right, so let me open all of them and then we do swatches on my arm. So this is Lapis Luxury. Now let's open Celestial. This is gonna be a beautiful champagne color. Can't wait to try this one. Dark Matter. All right, now the lip trio. Let's open them. I don't know if you've seen that, but if you go to Pat McGrath's website and you click on, the lipstick products or the lip trios, I think especially, they have like a video doing a demo. Wow. It's just so beautiful. I want to try that today. They're so mini. Wow. They really meant it, huh? When they said mini, it's mini. If I didn't know how expensive this is, I would look at this and think it's like a kid's makeup. Sorry. Look at this. It's very light. It looks like a toy. Like the color, everything about this, the size, it just screams like toy lipstick. Yeah, I'm still digesting how tiny this is, sorry. My thumb is the size of the lipstick. So this one is the shade Executive Realness. Good for 18 months after opening. It's very thin and tiny and adorable. But yeah, it's very cheap, plastic, light, and flimsy. Like the eyeshadows feel a lot more like luxury than the lipsticks. Let's hope they perform good. Anyway, how shiny this is, it could be used as a mirror. Literally, if you put close enough, it gets very like clear, like a mirror, you know? You can actually focus and see what you're doing. Okay, that's useful. This one is Elson 2. Oh, wow. That's red. And lastly, we have Softcore. This. Look, for 50 shekels, okay? That is usually the price you pay for like one L'Oreal lipstick here. It was a really good discount on their website, so I'm happy about that. Because again, sucker for sale. All right, so let's do swatches. It's very rough. The texture is, yeah. Oh, it comes with the, I didn't notice it was there. Protector. See, one more layer of protection. Nice. That is beautiful. I'm really gonna like this one because it's not too golden, you know? What? Are you serious? They don't close. Like, there's no click. Why? If they don't close, this is... How can you travel with this? Like, you're gonna put in your makeup bag, it's just gonna be like, you know, all over the place and like so easy to open. Are you kidding me? Okay, fine, like when you go traveling, you just like put, you know, scotch or tape or whatever. I'm being picky, sorry. Just like I wasn't expecting them not to, you know, securely close. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, moving on. Let's open Statuesque. I bought this one specifically because it looked like a really nice transition shade, you know, for any eye look, because I feel like it could match well with my skin tone. This one is a lot smoother, right? It's matte. Now let's go with the Lapis Luxury. What the f? I feel like my channel is gonna be known as the person who always gets damaged or like bad products. You know, I'm gonna be like the kind of makeup reviewer tester who always gets some weird shit. What the hell? Look at this. This looks really weird. It's puffed. There's a lot of bubbles. Look at all the texture on it. I need to stop opening things way past the date that I could complain about it. Probably some storage, you know, conditions. Maybe it got too hot and like it bubbled. I don't know. What a shame. See like these little bumps on it? Oh. It's like little stones. It looks like some sort of glitter, like larger glitter particles that came to the surface. Because when I poked it, it has a different color. But I can dissolve it. Like I'm squeezing it against my finger and like it dissolves. I don't know, maybe some sort of like butter that hardened. Like a little rock. Then when you start squeezing it, like you can kind of like dissolve it. If this has ever happened to you, or if you are, you know, someone knowledgeable in terms of formulation and stuff like that, like why this could have happened? Like, what is this? I know that I can't return it, but I want to let them know that I received an eyeshadow like this, because this doesn't look normal.
Hello Luciana, thank you for reaching out to us. No worries, what you are seeing is moisture rising to the top of the shadow. This is still completely safe to use. Have a great day XX Stephanie PMG Customer Care.
Anyway, let's move on and do some swatches. Wow, okay, wow. Holy shit. That is fantastic. Look at this color. Look at the color payoff. Oh my god! Okay. Let's just move on from the bubbly textured surface. I'm like obsessed with that blue. Wow. Okay, now lastly, let's go for the black one. Okay, it's a good black. Looks like a pretty solid black. Seems like it's gonna be also very easy to blend and shade it. All right, so now let's do lipstick swatches. They are creamy and beautiful. Wow. Executive Realness, Elson 2, and Softcore. All right, let's get started with these eyes. Let me zoom you close. That's close enough. I'm gonna start with Statuesque as my transition shade. These are blending really nicely. Wow. Even without an eyeshadow base, it's like, ooh. I had only concealer before. Let's go with Celestial. Let's just get a little bit of this on the inner corner. That was very anticlimactic. Yeah, these are the kind of eyeshadows that you do need to apply them wet to have, you know, proper effect. My nails don't allow me to get all the way to the inner corner, so I'm gonna have to use a brush. So yeah, I was expecting more usability, but it's okay. Just a little bit. So let me finish applying this black eyeshadow on my eyes and the lower lash line. And then let's try using the black eyeshadow as an eyeliner. Look how nice that looks. Look at the difference. You know, today I just want to do a classic eyeliner. So I'm going to put some really nice lashes right now and let's do lips. So I'm going to try to follow that video that I saw on their website. There's one over here. Let's watch it together. So it's supposed to start with Executive Realness, kind of like as a lip liner. Let's blend this. I feel like I need the lip liner. When dealing with red lipstick, sometimes the only thing that can fix mistakes is concealer. All right, see, closure. So next, Elson 2 in the middle. Blend that. I feel like I need more of the darker one after. And then soft core in the middle. Does this look alright? I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do, but how does that look? Yeah, I think it was a really good choice to go easy on the eyes if I was planning to do bright red lips. Okay. Let me just do the inner corner with some, you know, eyeliner, a little bit of the eyeshadow, because I feel like it's missing something. Like I need to connect my fake lashes just to make like a continuous line. It's better. All right, I'm ready. What do you think? I mean, I'm only gonna know if I look like a clown when I'm editing this, but I feel really pretty, and in the end of the day, that's all that matters. So what do you think of the products? Do you like the eyeshadows? I mean, do you like the combination that I bought? She's known for the glitters, the, you know, over the top, beautiful, impactful makeup. I just feel like I'm not there yet on my makeup journey, that I'm bold enough to, you know, do those kind of looks. I hope with time I'll get better, because I really want to play more with colors. Anyway, this is everything I bought from my Pat McGrath order. I'm really disappointed with this metallic celestial color. I thought it would be a lot more, I thought I would have a lot more color payoff. But anyway, if you use this with the, you know, setting spray, I'm sure you're gonna get a lot more vivid color. In future videos, I'm gonna do a get ready with me, and I'm gonna try to use this one. Lipsticks, wow. I mean, maybe a little bit more of a soft core in the middle. Next time I buy them, I'm gonna go for like, you know, more colors, shimmers, and I'm definitely getting that shiny lip gloss, this one over here, because damn, that is just so beautiful and sexy, and wow, I just want to eat it, you know? Alright, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to have you here. Join me on Thank You Very Blush. I hope you have a lovely week ahead of you, and now you can click on this video over here to watch me get these nails done. Alright, bye.